Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the hero from One Punch Man on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the iconic main riff, which uses a combination of power chords and single notes. Then, we'll move on to the verse and chorus sections, focusing on the rhythm and chord progressions. Get ready to rock out with Saitama's theme. Let's dive into the core of the hero. The song heavily relies on power chords like E5, A5, C5, and G5. The main riff is a driving force, starting on the open low E string and moving to the A string. Pay close attention to the rhythm and use palm muting to achieve that punchy, aggressive tone. Practice slowly to build accuracy and speed. Understanding the song's structure will help you navigate the hero effectively. It generally follows a verse-chorus format with a powerful bridge section. Your strumming hand needs to be consistent, often using a fast down-up motion. Practice transitioning between the E5, A5, C5, and G5 chords smoothly to keep the energy high. This consistency is key to nailing the song. To truly master the hero, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, ensuring each note and chord is clean. Gradually increase your speed, always using a metronome to keep your timing precise. Remember, accuracy over speed initially. Also, for those who love to read and learn, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing like a hero in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.